Hello, everybody. Today we're talking about the flawed Fruitarian philosophy circulating on social media that recently resulted in the tragic death of a young woman who believed she could live on fruit alone. The fact is that fruit is a tasty treat and contains some premier vitamins and minerals. The body cannot survive on it, though, because it consists mainly of water. Humans cannot live on water. In actuality, the human body needs proteins. Proteins provide the structural building blocks for muscles, organs, immunity, tissue repair, and enzymes, which initiate chemical reactions in the body. They are found in meat, fish, dairy products, lentils, and beans. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main energy source for the body that provide the fuel for chemical reactions to take place. They are found in whole grains, potatoes, pasta, and rice. Refined sources like white sugar are not so healthy because it's easy to eat too much and then it's just converted to body fat. Fatty acids. Dietary fats support hormone production and are essential for the maintenance of cell membranes. They are found in fish oils, nut and seed oils, and in algae. Vitamins and minerals. So what are vitamins and minerals? Vitamins and minerals help catalyze chemical reactions in the body and perform specialized functions like the role of iron in oxygen transport. They are found in meat, nuts, seeds, vegetables, and fruits. So yes, fruits are a delightful supplement for your diet, but they are not enough. If you take care to put the right fuel into your body, it will serve you long and well.